Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use mask. So as you can see on my screen, I have different types of blobs on my screen on desktop one and it is colored. But what I want to do is that I want to place the image in this blob. So I can do that. The traditional way to do that is just click on this and you can go to shapes and you can place image over here, or you can go to fill and choose solid to image. Then it is, and from here you can also choose a image, but you can also use mask to do the same thing. So let's take a image, some random image. Let's take this image and place it over here. Let me adjust the layers over here. Okay, on this second vector, that is our blob, I want to place this image. So let me move it a little bit on the right side, and let me check it once again. We have to move it a little bit on the left side. Okay, so I can now place a image over there. So to do that, select the vector where you want to place your image and select your image, and now group them using Ctrl G. So it is grouped now. So what we have to do is that just go to group. There's a group. We group two things over here. The first one is this image and second one is our blob. So select the blob, right click on it, click on use as a mask, and you can see the image is inside that blob. If you want, you can also adjust this blob, let's choose crop and move this image a little bit upwards like this. So this is how you can use mask. I know you might be thinking placing image can be more simpler, like selecting the shape and go to image and choosing a image from your local disk and just placing over here. I know it is very simple, but I also don't use masking that much, so it totally depends on you. If your project required some customization, then you can use this masking technique. So let's place this image on this. Let's place this image on this blob. Placing image is kind of masking, but it is like very simple process. So that's how you can use masking. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.